QuickBooks Online Advanced helps you keep track of important tasks and organize your work in one central location. We'll go over how to create tasks for yourself and other team members, and then use the Tasks Manager to organize everything you need to do. Go to Tasks. This is where you track the tasks for you and your team. If you're an admin user for your company, you'll see everyone's tasks. If you're not an admin, you'll only see tasks created by or assigned to you. Select Filters to change the tasks you see. The Tasks Manager lists all of the tasks by due date, who created them, and who they're assigned to. There are two reasons a task might appear in the Tasks Manager. QuickBooks generates tasks automatically based on your company's workflows. For instance, if you've set up an automated workflow to approve invoices before they're sent to customers, and you're assigned to perform those approvals, you'll see a task any time the workflow triggers. In this case, select the drop-down under the Actions column to take the next step and complete the task. You can also manually add custom tasks. If you're already in the Task Manager, select Add Task. Or if you're anywhere else in QuickBooks, you can add tasks from the New menu. Enter a name for the task. This is the most visible part of a task, so make sure it's clear. You can give a brief description of the task here. Then select who you want to assign this task to and add a due date to complete the task. You can set the priority of the task from this drop-down. If this is a task that you need to perform on a regular basis, turn on the Recurring Task option, and then fill in the details as to how often and when you want the task to appear. You can see any linked records for this task here. If you need to link this task to any related records, select Link a Record and search for the record. Once you're done selecting the record, select Link Records, and you can see that the record is linked to this task. If there are any documents attached to this task, you can see them here. You can also add a document. You can upload a document or search and select a document. Select Attach, and your document is attached to this task. When you're done, select Save. QuickBooks displays an icon if you attach a document to the task. Select the icon to see the name of the attachment. To open or download the document, select the task to see it in more detail. Once you complete a task, mark it as complete, and it disappears from your list of open tasks. You can view and edit a task or delete a task by selecting these options from the drop-down here. To check the completed tasks, select All Tasks and check the Status column here. By creating tasks and workflows and managing them from a central place, you and your team can stay on top of all things you need to do for your business.